Let's be real. Finding the best skin firming cream for your face and neck feels like a total gamble sometimes. I'm tired of seeing products that promise a liquid facelift but do absolutely nothing. To save you the headache, I actually bought and tested the 5 most popular options on the market right now to see which ones actually deliver.
Product number 1. Simply Vital Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer. When I first unscrewed the lid of the Simply Vital jar, I noticed it has that classic rich cream texture that feels high-end without being overly greasy. It's made right here in the USA, and you can tell they didn't skimp on the consistency. It's a 1.7-ounce jar, but a little goes a long way, especially when you're working it into your neck and décolleté area. What I really liked during my testing was the triple threat combo of retinol, collagen, and hyaluronic acid. Usually, retinol can be a bit harsh if you have sensitive spots, but the collagen in this seems to buffer that perfectly. I used it both morning and night, and the hydration levels stayed solid throughout the entire day. My skin felt noticeably more bouncy after a few days, which is exactly what you want when you're targeting those stubborn necklines. It's currently the #1 bestseller for neck moisturizers for a reason. It just works without any fuss. If you're dealing with general dryness and want a solid all-rounder that handles both your face and your neck in one go, this is the one I'd grab. It's simple, effective, and doesn't have a weird chemical scent. Since this is such a heavy hitter for hydration, it sets a high bar for the SPF options.
Product number 2. Rock Multi-Correction 5-in-1 Chest, Neck, and Face. Holding the Rock Multi-Correction tube, it feels much more like a targeted clinical treatment than a standard beauty cream. The packaging is practical, and the formula itself is oil-free, which I immediately appreciated because I hate that shiny face look by noon. It's a bit lighter than the Simply Vital, which makes sense since it's packing SPF 30. The big win here is the convenience. I'm usually lazy about applying separate sunscreen to my neck, but since this is built in, I actually used it every day. During my time with it, I noticed it did a great job at evening out some of the redness on my chest. It's specifically formulated for that thinner skin on your neck and chest that tends to get crepey from sun damage. Because it's oil-free, it sits beautifully under makeup if you're wearing any, and it didn't break me out at all. If you spend a lot of time outdoors or in front of a window and you're worried about dark spots and sagging caused by the sun, this is your best bet. It's a multitasker that saves you a step in the morning. Now, if you're someone who prefers a more traditional, creamy feel for sensitive skin, we should look at a classic drugstore favorite.
Product number 3. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle and Firming. I've seen this L'Oreal Revitalift jar on bathroom counters for years, so I wanted to see if it still holds up. The jar has a nice weight to it, and the cream itself is thick and luxurious. It uses pro-retinol, which is a bit gentler than straight retinol, making it a great pick if your skin tends to get flaky or irritated easily. When I applied this, it felt like it created a protective barrier on my skin. It's definitely more of a quenching moisturizer. I focused heavily on my jawline and the rings on my neck while testing this one. It takes a minute or two to fully sink in, but once it does, your face feels very soft and firm. It's also marketed for dark circles, so I patted a bit under my eyes, and it definitely helped with that tight, dehydrated feeling you get after a long day. If you have sensitive skin and you're looking for a reliable, widely available cream that won't break the bank, this is a very safe and effective choice. It's a classic for a reason. It provides that immediate plumping effect that makes fine lines look way less noticeable. But what if you need something specifically designed for mature skin that needs even more oomph?
Product number 4. No7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Day Cream. The No7 Restore and Renew line is specifically aimed at crepey skin, and you can feel that intention the moment you put it on. The texture is interesting. It feels very nourishing, but somehow stays breathable. It's packed with peptides and ceramides, which are basically the building blocks for keeping your skin's barriers strong and firm. While testing this during the day, I noticed my neck looked smoother almost instantly. It has SPF 30, just like the Rock, but the No7 feels a bit more moisturizing and plumping to me. It's designed for mature skin, so it really tackles that loss of elasticity. I didn't feel like I needed to reapply moisturizer halfway through the day, which is a huge plus. My favorite part is how it makes the skin on my neck feel less papery and more resilient. If you're specifically worried about thinning skin and want those peptides to help rebuild things during the day, this is the one to go for. It's a sophisticated formula that feels like it's doing some heavy lifting while you go about your business.
To get the full effect of this formula though, you really have to see how it pairs with its nighttime counterpart.
Product number 5. No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. I finished my testing by swapping to the No 7 night cream before bed, and man, this stuff is rich. It doesn't have the SPF, obviously, so they've replaced that with even more collagen peptides and hyaluronic acid. It's a thicker, more buttery version of the day cream, and it feels like a comforting mask you wear to sleep. The real test for a night cream is how your skin looks at 7 a.m. When I woke up after using this, my neck didn't have those deep sleep creases I usually get, and my face felt incredibly hydrated. It's specifically designed to work with your skin's natural repair process at night. If you're already using the No 7 Day Cream, adding this to your routine is a no-brainer because they're designed to work together to tackle sagging and dullness. If you're over 40 and you feel like your current moisturizer just isn't strong enough anymore, this night cream is a fantastic investment. It's all about long-term repair and waking up with skin that actually feels firm.